Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're here in beautiful downtown Fountain, Colorado. Got a pretty good sized project we're taking on this morning. Let me show you some things. You can see we've got about a 65 square house here to do. They've already started the tear off. We're gonna wait a little bit longer to shingle it, and let me explain what we're doing. Got 7 skylights we gotta work with. We're gonna do the carport. There's another detached building there, and we'll do the pump house as well. But as you can see, the snow on the roof, it snowed a little bit last night. We started this day at 28 degrees. It's awful cold. People ask me what is the ideal temperature, or when can you shingle roofs? Almost all shingle manufacturers agree that between 40 and 80 degrees is ideal. No lower than 40, and as you get above 80, the shingles get kind of soft and a little harder to work with. Under 40, they get real brittle and they can break. One of the things that helps us is these shingles are stored in a warehouse overnight. We use ABC Supply. Shout out to you guys at ABC. So we had them delivered about an hour ago. When they get here, they're still nice and soft and warm and pliable. Anything under 40, they get real brittle, like I said, and they want to break when you're trying to nail them down. It's going to be in the mid 40s today. It's almost noon, so we expect it to be in the 40s here in a few hours, and we'll start knocking these shingles on. You can see it's a good sized roof. Got some flat back here we'll do. 7 skylights we're going to take care of. A little bit of modified here. We'll take care of the well house, the detached building in the back, and of course the metal carport. So it's going to be a great project. We'll show you guys when we're done. This is Sean Bennett with APC Roofing. You guys be kind to each other.